Hi Neil, how are you? Welcome to
Hi, Nikita.
Press.
Very well. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
How is your lockdown going? How are you spending time at home? If you can tell us.
Well, while we are so ambitious and we're so fast paced, we all are so aggressively working. It's positively, it's maybe just made us sit back and understand the values of and the importance of life and what are the basic necessities. And on the other hand, it has definitely created this slight panic, which I think will be in the mind of a person for a long time.
Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Does it get challenging for you to be on social media at times?
Yes, it does. It really does. I will not lie. कभी कभी मन तो करता है कि बहुत गालियां दूं, है ना? We are the same people who are working day and night for their entertainment. So it kind of hurts at times, when the water crosses the brink. I find it very difficult when it comes to the common man to really voice my opinion to them. But to a few educated people who uh, sometimes cross the lines, I feel it's my prerogative, it's my necessity, it's my understanding as a human being to communicate with the other and tell him to keep quiet about it.
We always get to see a little glimpse of her through thanks to your Instagram
Yeah.
stories and how she
Yeah.
completely loves music and dance, and she's already dancing to the
touch wood,
tunes.
touch wood. She's kept us entertained. I'll tell you something. I mean, if this phase has gone by so smoothly for us up till now, it's only because of Nurbi.
So we look forward to every evening that 1 hour dance session that happens with Nurvi. So she in the middle of Yo-Yo Honey Singh and Guru Randhawa, suddenly she'll come and say Ringa Ringa Roses. So there's a constant entertainment factor with her.
If we talk about your professional life, any choices that now you feel you would have done differently?
I never regret any of my decisions. I am very grateful, to be very honest. When I started my career, I never even knew that I'd get the opportunity to come this far in my life. After I got the first film, Johnny Gaddar, that film just proved everybody so wrong. I've worked with more than a dozen filmmakers who are national award-winning directors.
You did not have like a exceedingly huge screen presence, but the kind of character that you portrayed, I mean, when we think about some of the villains, we still have those names, those characters in
Yeah.
mind. They created an
Yeah.
impression and they still exist.
Of
Even
course,
with
of
Prem Ratan
course.
Dhan Payo, what do you think is that X factor in you that probably the directors think when they sign you for such kind of roles?
Okay, so that's again a superb question. I need to be really excited about the character. It doesn't really matter whether it's about one scene or whether it's the whole film. So I wanted to always portray characters in shades that I'm not. That's one aspect that always attracts me. That's why films like a Johnny Gaddar would definitely take over from another film, a love story if I was offered, which I was at the same time. I'm very unpredictable as an actor. Though you might say, oh God, is he antagonist or is he protagonist? That's one thing you can't put your finger on to. That's why films like Johnny Gaddar, maybe Saath Khoon Maaf, Wazir, then Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, Golmaal again, Saho. So they are all mega blockbuster films. New York, how can I forget New York? So you're always on the edge to constantly think and decide, even Bypass Road for that matter, whether he's a good guy or a bad guy.
Working in Vijay, and you played the younger Rishiji. We also know that you had he was like a family to you. If you
He was a
can,
father figure to me.
if you can just highlight some of the most memorable and precious moments that you had with him.
We were both supposed to jump into the water. I wasn't a swimmer. I didn't know how deep the pool was, and I heard action and I jumped in, and I started drowning. And they pulled me out of the water. But I remember him being around at that time, and he was so concerned about me, about whether I was okay. Because right after my shot was supposed to be his shot, he was so concerned.
There was
Me too,
also a
Auntie, as a child, I
very
remember.
beautiful picture of him sitting with you at your wedding.
Where I thought that, okay, Udaipur, where none of them are going to be able to fly down for all these days, etc. I was quite sure that, where is he going to find time to fly down to Udaipur, even if it's a matter of a day or two. But he did. He surprised me. And how he just took to the mic, he went up on stage and he sang Main Shayar To Nahi and wooed the audience. And everybody was just eating out of his hands after that. And not just after that, I mean, ever since the moment he walked in, that aura of him itself was so magnetic. And I feel it still is that, I've been very low ever since that happened, and I've been very depressed about it myself. I sat and I saw all his films, because I have to tell you something honestly. Many people know this, that if I'm inspired by anybody or any actor, there are only two names that come on my lips always. I've always maintained that if there's Mr. Bachchan that I'm inspired by as an actor, because the nation is also inspired by him. There has always been a Rishi Kapoor that has been added as a name by me.
Do you think once everything is back to normal, I don't know how the new normal is going to be like, but are we as human beings going to be transformed into more compassionate people, and maybe we start valuing things more?
It's a very, very valid, it's a very important question. I feel, unfortunately, we've had a loss in the family, I would say. My father was devastated. He was in a terrible state of mind. Chintu uncle was like a baby brother to him. So somewhere I felt that, it's such an unfortunate time that we couldn't be there with the family. We couldn't even go there. I think people will change. People will understand that today money does not buy happiness. We should understand and we should value everything that we have.